In English, the word let is a verb that means to allow or permit something to happen. It's often used to give permission or to suggest that something should happen. Let's is a contraction of let us in English. It's used to suggest doing something together or to propose an action. It's a way of making an invitation or offering to do something with others. Here are simple and easy sentences using let and let's. Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that. Let's go to the movies tonight. Let's go to the movies tonight. Let him speak. Let him speak. Let's eat dinner now. Let's eat dinner now. Let her play with the toy. Let her play with the toy. Let's take a walk in the park. Let's take a walk in the park. Let them finish their work. Let them finish their work. Let's meet at 3 p.m. Let's meet at 3 p.m. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. Let's work together. Let's work together. You let me stay at his place. You let me stay at his place. Let's call a taxi. Let's call a taxi. Let me see that. Let me see that. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Let me explain it to you. Let me explain it to you. Let's sit down and talk. Let's sit down and talk. Let her go home early. Let her go home early. Let's wait for the bus. Let's wait for the bus. They let us join the team. They let us join the team. Let's make some coffee. Let's make some coffee. Let him try again. Let him try again. Let's take a photo together. Let's take a photo together. Let me check my calendar. Let me check my calendar. Let's wait for the others. Let's wait for the others. Let him finish his food first. Let him finish his food first. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. I let my dog sleep in my bed. I let my dog sleep in my bed. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let's eat dinner now. Let's eat dinner now. Let her tell the story. Let her tell the story. Let's clean the house together. Let's clean the house together. Let me take care of that for you. Let me take care of that for you. Let's make a plan for the weekend. Let's make a plan for the weekend. Let him speak. Let him speak. Let's meet at the cafe. Let's meet at the cafe. He let his brother use his phone. He let his brother use his phone. Let's go shopping tomorrow. Let's go shopping tomorrow. Let them come with us. Let them come with us. Let's listen to some music. Let's listen to some music. Let me see your book. Let me see your book. Let's do the laundry later. Let's do the laundry later. I let her read my letter. I let her read my letter. Let's invite them to the party. Let's invite them to the party. Let him try again. Let him try again. Let's help him with his homework. Let's help him with his homework. Let her decide what to do. Let her decide what to do. Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. Let me handle this situation. Let me handle this situation. Let's go for a bike ride. Let's go for a bike ride. She let her kids stay up late. She let her kids stay up late. Let's try that new restaurant. Let's try that new restaurant. Let him eat first. Let him eat first. Let's go for a swim. Let's go for a swim. I let my sister borrow my jacket. I let my sister borrow my jacket. Let's watch the game together. Let's watch the game together. Let her stay for a while. Let her stay for a while. Let's take some photos. Let's take some photos. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you how it works. Let's get some rest. Let's get some rest. He let me borrow his laptop. He let me borrow his laptop. Let's go out for ice cream. Let's go out for ice cream. Let the teacher speak. Let the teacher speak. Let's work on the project together. Let's work on the project together. Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready. Let's start the meeting now. Let's start the meeting now. Let him walk alone. Let him walk alone. Let's help him. Let's help him. He let me have a piece of cake. He let me have a piece of cake. Let's organize the files. Let's organize the files. Let the door open. Let the door open. Let's look at the map first. Let's look at the map first. Let me fix that for you. Let me fix that for you. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. They let us use their kitchen. They let us use their kitchen. Let's visit the new shop. Let's visit the new shop. He let me take his spot in line. He let me take his spot in line. Let's go to bed early tonight. Let's go to bed early tonight. She let him borrow her car. She let him borrow her car. Let's wait for the rain to stop. Let's wait for the rain to stop.